The hidden truths of carp fishing are being revealed. Learn how to set up a hair rig in just 3 minutes and never lose another carp again. Grab a fishing line and try it with me. If you're ready, let's begin. As I always say, I'm using a colored line so you can see everything clearly. For carp rig setups, you can use special braid lines, or I recommend using fluorocarbon line. First, I'm preparing a hairline to attach the carp bait. This is a very effective rig setup for fishing with corn or boilies. Using special carp hooks in your rig will increase your chances of catching a carp. You can find more detailed information about the carp rig setup in the description below. Also, check out my playlists to learn the best fishing knots and basic rig setups. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to take your fishing skills to the next level. The knotless knot is ready. Now I'll turn it into a carp rig. To attach the swivel, I'll use the Palomar knot. And finally, I'll finish the hair rig setup with a split shot weight. Please like this video and share it with your fishing buddies. Click the playlist on the screen to learn the best fishing knots.